Okay.
No, actually,
Main phase. Oh my god, this is like Exodia. It's like Exodia, dude.
Do I just lose? I feel like I just
Almost something.
Yeah, man.
Standby.
Activate the effect. Sending for cost.
Yeah, man. Play your turn out, King.
New chain. Chain link 1 to search, chain link 2 to summon command.
Play your turn out, King. I ain't got none.
Damn, I don't know, King. We're cracked.
Go ahead.
Need my hands free. Free, okay. No, so
You playing through wind statue?
No.
Exactly.
Not right now. Is it possible? Maybe.
Might as well.
Is it likely? No.
Effect to search.
The only time that card has ever been used to
Let's
search.
go! Let's go, Rebellious Effect. Hey, make an extra.
Fractal effect is fine.
He's hot. He's on a big horse.
Just made you say it's hot.
Nothing I can do.
Effect specialist and control the highest attack ancient warrior monster on the board. Because you're not playing ancient warriors, are you? Okay, cool. That's what I
I
thought.
think we both know what I'm playing.
Effect.
I'm playing Warrior Monsters, yeah, man.
Effect.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Effect.
Yeah.
Cool, we just missed Kit time again. That's all.
This deck right here is base. Other Triber gates.
Hey, you want to see what's base, bro? Want to see what's base? Let's cool.
Wait, really? You
We already did.
he didn't do the Harpy Conductor play. He just straight up summoned some more. It gets you one.
Hey, quit smacking the table, bro.
Effect. Or, sorry. No, you can't activate the effect of main phase, so,
Yeah.
Unfortunate.
Yeah, go down phase, yes, Lord.
You know what I'm telling you, bro?
Yeah, I know exactly where it's going. I've seen it. I played this. I know.
You
Well, not
played
this,
it.
but I played this.
This is the most base deck in the world.
Oh, I didn't see that coming. Well, let's see what's out there.
Defense? Wow. What a weenie hut junior.
Bro, what table are you at?
I'm at 2. What table are you
No,
at?
that's table 1 to my left. It seems like you're a table 2, bro.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Do you want to read?
Okay.
Oh, wait, here you go. Player, my bad. Forgot.
That's the guy who doesn't even know how to play Yu-Gi-Oh! I had to
Stand-up?
teach you. I'm exposing it right now, Jordan. The nautical channel owner doesn't even know how to play Yu-Gi-Oh! Why?
I looked at it. I looked at my record and stuff.
Okay, that's what I
I
thought.
started playing competitively in July.
In standby, chalice.
So I think I'm doing pretty good for starting in July.
We are playing
Here it goes.
against foreigner attackers. Main phase?
I haven't really done activate the actually, I'm going to
What does it do? I don't know.
3 cards in hand. You've already normal summoned.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it. That is a
he destroys the highest attack monster you control. And then I cannot activate
That's
effect
fine.
monsters effects except for ancient warriors.
That's fine.
Sorry, now I find it.
Oh, except Ancient Warriors. That matters. The only two you have on base are both pushing back Ancient Warriors.
Yeah.
Your turn. I think you're gonna punch me in the face.
Like this guy.
Doesn't do anything right now.
This is my problem.
Yeah, sure.
On resolution.
And you have nothing with 2 underneath.
Yeah, return.
Did you go? Yeah. I'm not gonna get it if I just.
This one will also have the ability to. Yeah. And this one, then we.
It's not as much.
How am I going to change?
I would keep me.
What do you mean how? Well, he can't summon. Oh no, just in general.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a pretty decent chance you do. Extinguish.
And then you can use those.
Continuing.
Okay. I don't mind you doing it.
Yeah.
Frigid effects. Can't be targeted.
Yeah, that's fine.
Anything that points to weakness can be targeted.
So like, you just want to
Frigid
like,
Yeah.
So that's
yeah.
String and face.
Sure.
Your fives, you can.
Adds,
You thought I
either
used
adds
hit
or
time,
dumps
I just didn't
the
need it.
Lyra Lusk, and then I can
thought I didn't
special
use
one
it,
with a
'cause I
different
was like,
name.
if he just literally has nothing, he just died.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I had something to deal with the barrier statue, but not everything. I just didn't have enough in there.
Battle phase? Sure.
I'm just gonna revolt you and then summon Nerval, and then if you turn it to actually Fogblade,
Well.
chain this in the Nerval, bounce it, and then almost on the
And
track,
phase two.
punch you in the face.
Phase effects.
Yeah.
It works, it works. It works, it works.
He said, I have no idea what your deck is. Just keep it that way. All of a sudden, Sun Move hits Nerval. What do you do?
If the trap card is activated, you can special summon.
All of them bring all of them.
How many of them do you have?
Two, I think. Yeah, two.
Okay.
He is mostly because he's a blocker. And then the skill, Digimon with blockers can't be limited by effects.
A Digimon with blockers can't be delivered by our
So negate it and
Pretty
cancel
good
it.
anti-
So then change your
Yeah, like when you throw Axe down now, that's the source.
He won't be able to attack.
You can't do anything but just have that effect.
Yeah.
Turn? Yep.
Yeah.
You have everything.
Let's go effects.
I need to do a thing.
Targeting the Karos.
Small stuff.
That's fine. It's Omni negate.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can get, if I can't get you, if I can't get you in one turn, then Blinking Bee is gonna wreck me.
In that case, I'll take it across the black answer.
This prevents them.
Currently in use.
This goes.
Okay, you're using your
Phase
friend's.
effect.
He wasn't there when I left.
It's either in phase.
You pay what?
Eight.
I'll get rid of it.
And then I set his attractions.
Kinda have to.
He can be activated this turn.
You couldn't summon this.
It's 1, 2, 3,
I had
4,
4
5.
cards set.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Counts field spells. And it would be 8.
With 10 minutes now,
Okay.
you cannot.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't be able to swing because.
Yeah.
I have to swing before then, and they laughingly beat him in the face.
Yeah.
God, this
Really
card is so
hard with
fucking broken.
Very sharp.
Effect.
and
Adds a Wing Beast.
Yeah.
I will. Oh, you said me, no?
How do I get that off?
I need it, thank you
I
though.
have
You
to
too.
get that off.
Okay,
By the time you turn, yeah, because all you have to do is swing with him. And his effect will have
Sure.
when he transfers.
Okay.
I wonder what he has in hand.
I know.
Would you like to know whether boy?
Just call me Weather Boy.
Still
You haven't
passing.
heard that means?
Mhm.
Wow.
Normal?
Stand by phase. Main phase.
Your response to it? Or card use?
Awesome.
Yo,
Response.
If you have any more Digimon.
Impermanent mail or
You
still?
can't target any of these.
Oh yeah, target here.
Yeah, what's the point? You still have 2 on
Put
board.
him back in hand.
True.
I was trying to give you the troll.
Link two? Grab?
See if we can draw playable cards this time. Stand by main.
Get one back.
Yeah. And then I will
Sure.
take this card to my hand.
Effect on Sun?
Mm-hmm. I will chain. Thinking of what I was trying. Do you have a response?
And if this one's attack, you
6,
can
right?
target
Yeah.
your glacial. So.
Sure.
And damage does or doesn't make it.
These two?
Yeah.
It's okay, man.
Chinley
It's
too.
okay.
You stay with me.
Once we get to these later rounds, if I've already lost, I've already checked.
Go ahead.
Level less than or equal to.
Turn standby.
finished.
Sick.
So they can now check.
This one, this one.
Yeah. You gave me for about
Move to main phase.
Yeah, best case scenario was to
Purple. Sure. Sending purple.
Yeah, I fucking guess, dude. Bird call, twin drop.
It's high range.
Yeah. What does it do?
Target Sparrow.
I guess so, my guy.
Yeah. These seems like they're the main.
Sparrow
Yeah.
effects.
To search one, right?
Yeah, search is a wing beast.
Yeah.
I was about to say, like, wait.
The search is, huh?
Yeah.
How did you know that?
This is the one that searches one, right?
That's wing beast.
You have to control the highest tech ancient warrior monsters, which you don't control any ancient warrior.
Yeah. And then you can just.
What if you change the
What did you add off the bird call?
Yeah.
That's good.
Discard the band.
Yeah, you can change it, but all you return on my side is fog blade, so.
No sleeves, no nothing.
Oh, that dude?
Yeah,
I want to score that.
It's fucking meaning.
This game too.
Specials itself and another one, a wing beast from hand.
I just said this game too. Doesn't say anything about my maniac.
Yeah. Sorry, I actually need to read the last part. Hang on. Okay. Unsummon.
It's fine. How do you want him
I have problems with it.
How many in hand?
2.
$47 plus 15, so
62.
Yeah, 62. Pretty good.
This is really too good.
Sure. They discussed it. Yeah, go
Purple
ahead.
effects. After trench
He wasn't sent from field, he just sent
It doesn't matter.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
detach
yeah.
him as material. You can get his
Yeah.
okay. So purple good.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm thinking. You sent him with
Stand by.
anyways.
Yeah.
Man. Let's see.
Alright, what's shenanigans are you doing?
Yeah.
Two effect.
Yep.
And I don't have block.
I do. I don't think it helps. That is very good to me.
Wow. Wow. Come on, what you doing? You just got punched in the face. Jumped out of the water.
Activate tour guide.
Christ, dude. Yeah.
Kid.
Yep.
You're not gonna swim with more.
So we open bird call, 2 birds, Karos Fractal,
1 bird.
bird call, 1 bird, Karos Fractal Droplet Twister.
Celestia?
Must be fucking nice.
Well, I kind of goofed and took that out because it changes things.
I don't think it matters. Let's be honest here.
Interesting.
Frack.
Well, turn.
What?
It's in.
Like this round game, Swan was hanging.
Get touch, indestructible.
So the one thing,
Oh.
I'm just gonna go to battlefield.
this, actually,
24.
like to go to 4 years now.
Oh.
And none of these
2K,
ones here, so moving it out
and then
would be-
31.
Yeah.
Yep.
Let's go.
Must be nice. Tired of getting fucking sacked out of my ass on these future matches. The second week in a row, I've opened up pretty damn well, and my opponent just opens up the fucking god hand. This man opened up Bird Call, Droplet, Twin Twisters, a bird, and